Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack, and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2009 Bluebird Vision. This is a 74 passenger school bus, 39 feet bumper to bumper, Cummins Allison combo. Let's check it out. All right, first things first, powered by the Cummins ISB 6.7 liter, paired with the Allison 3000 PTS. Here we go. Front passenger side tire here, good tread on that, looking good. Give you a shot of the frame here as well. Looking good. Coming on inside, we have an air operated bifold passenger entry door, black ribbed aisleway, stepway, white step nosing, and a grab rail coming on in. Gonna go over the driver area here first. Driver seat upholstery looking fantastic. No big rips, cuts, tears, anything like that, going all the way up and down. Got your Allison automatic transmission shift pad here. High idle switch down here, parking brake. Mileage on this, 141,262 miles. Got your little horn. Hazards, Panasonic AM/FM CD stereo, PA mic input. Underneath this missile switch here, this is equipped with on-spot tire chains, but we don't actually verify those are working, but it's equipped. We got power mirrors and heated, both top and bottom on both sides. Heaters, defrost, we have your dome lights, auxiliary fans, etc., etc. All right, in the back here, as I said, 74 passenger school bus. That is 3 kids to a seat, equipped with your standard bench style seating, brown vinyl covers. Looking good. Seat covers, you'll see a few little infirmities here and there, a few patch jobs, but over and above all, there's no foam sticking out or huge holes. Looking good. Got some speakers zigzagging their way down the center of the aisle, 2 emergency roof hatches, and a midship emergency exit door on the driver's side. Well, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. All right, so this is equipped with underfloor storage. We got a pod on the passenger side here. Get a nice look at this. That trim there isn't all banged up. A lot of times you can see that get all out of whack. Looking good. In here, a little storage pod. We got your rear passenger side duals. All the tires on this are looking great, nice. Good amount of tread left on those. I'm going to show you the frame here, not a rusty bus by any means. Looking beautiful. You can see those on-spot chains right down there. All right, skirts looking good on the rear passenger side, nice and straight. These corners tend to be where you'll see the most damage on these buses. Not a whole lot to point out here. Looking good going all the way up. We got LED lights on the rear. 4 windows on the rear here, all tinted. Emergency exit door as well. Driver's side corner. Looking nice. And then we got a couple of storage pods on the driver's side here. Over and above all, body of this bus is in very good condition. No big dents or anything to point out. Tinted windows all look good. I'm going to show you the rear driver's side duals here. Another pan of underneath. Look at that frame, beautiful. We got your slide out battery box and tray. Looking good. And we got your front driver's side tire here. Give you another shot of the engine area. Here's your front driver's side tire. Cummins ISB 6.7 liter. Last but not least, I do want to point out this does have a Washington State Patrol Safety Inspection sticker from 2022. Here in Washington State, every school bus that's going to go into service has to have a bumper-to-bumper inspection done by the Washington State Patrol, and this bus passed just last year. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.